tell it.
Okay, so hi Cluckers, we're back, and today we're doing a comedy. Wait, you ready? Comedy chicken!
No, you're supposed to let me do the drum roll. It's very minty.
We're not getting sponsored.
I bet you nobody even knows what the brand is.
Oh, do they?
If it was like Hurley in the back, then.
Okay, so today we're doing another comedy chicken, and I have 2 stories. Mark has
2.
2.
2.
So today,
Do you want me to tell mine first?
yeah, tell your 2 first.
Wait, does mine do do I do the teacher dabbing one?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you don't want to dab. Alright, Cluckers! So I got to leave school early today. And so I was leaving school early today. It was like 12 and it was recess. And then my mom showed up.
Lunch recess.
It was just lunch recess. And I was on the ground and I seen my mom. I just started running up and tackled her. Well, then I didn't tackle her. I was just like, ugh. And then she's like, ready? And then she was like, and so I, oh my god.
My freaking thigh.
My booty hurts now.
Technical errors. We'll be right back. Okay. Mark, put it back.
We're bringing sexy back.
Okay, friendly Cheelix. Wait, what? Cheelix. Cheelix.
Family friendly chicken.
Oh, I know. For chicken, we can't say the real names of YouTubers. So, Beauty Chicken.
That's just cold.
Dad Chicken.
That's
Chicken
just
TDM.
cold. Okay, let's get going.
Popular Chicken.
Popular MM.
Stampy Chicken.
Stampy long chicken.
Yeah.
Stampy long clock.
Okay, so Mark's gonna tell a story. Continue.
So my mom forgot that.
Comedy.
My mom forgot that I brought the bike, so
Comedy.
I had a braces appointment and it's already done. And then oh yeah, he had his yesterday and I had mine today. These chairs are dangerous.
Dangerous.
Suicide chairs.
Oh yeah, we also talked about suicide interventions.
Really?
I'll tell you that.
Oh yeah, I wasn't even here. Hey, it's Sean.
It's Joe making a YouTube video.
Elijah making a YouTube video. That was my uncle. He's cool. He bought me ice cream.
How did you on the back?
Oh, that was a booty smack.
Continue.
Oh, it's still recording.
Ow.
It's like.
Ow. Hey! Oh! Let's go!
Oh yeah, Elijah got a new SD card so he could record.
Fuck it!
I thought it was family friendly chick.
No, shut your face,
Muckin'.
Instead of Mark, it's chicken. We can't say the real names of these YouTubers. I'm sorry, buddy.
Oh yeah, 190 now.
Chicken. The channel's called Chicken now. Okay. We can't say the real.
The
name.
Mark chicken.
Yeah.
We'll
Mark
rip
chicken.
this.
The
I
Mark.
think I could if I wanted to.
Yeah.
Like, look, it's just really easy to.
Continue.
Okay.
I
So,
actually punched you in the back.
yeah, it felt like I got hit by a piece of hail that was like the size of a baseball.
Oh, okay. Actually, if it's a side base, okay.
Okay, so I left school, and then because my mom forgot that I brought the bike.
He brought a bike. That's a very delicate detail.
Wait,
I'll make a thumbnail for this someday.
yeah, you don't make them. Yeah, more storage, which means you could download all the apps, and you don't have to worry about low storage. You could download all the apps and make thumbnails. Okay, so I'll continue. Anyways, so I forgot. So I left school. I was like, he's stressing me with his phone. But then, I was like this. I was like, this, see you suckers. I was riding my bike, and I was like, see you suckers. And then they're like, hey, look, Mark's escaping school. And yeah, that was the first one. Let's go find Elijah. Dun, 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 dun. Take a tour. This is the setup on Dogman Books. Okay, so I already told it.
You already told it?
Yeah, so how about you tell yours, and then I tell mine, and then you tell
Well,
yours.
you already told yours, so I got to tell mine.
Yeah.
So, once upon a time, no, I'm joking. Okay.
You tell yours. You tell yours now, soldier.
Okay, so, I told you on my YouTube channel, you chicken, Mark Chicken, the Mark Chicken.
Well, now I know what it feels like to be you, looking up to you. Actually, I can still see you if I'm like that. Whoa!
I'll poke your eyes out
Wait,
with
so
my
is that a shirt for sports day? Because gaming is a sport.
It's a hobby. Wait, it's actually backwards, so you can't read it, so.
No, it's just like appears backward to us, but on the real video, they can read it!
You sure?
I think so. I think I'm 12. Wait,
Okay,
I'm 11.
So today,
11.
during interventions, today Mario, you guys may have heard of him. He commented on my videos saying I'm stupid, 4 eyes and everything. Yeah, I deleted those.
He used to have glasses. He actually did.
Oh really? Well,
Yeah.
He could be called 4 eyes.
He just never wore them.
If you're watching this, then you could be 4 eyes because Marcus told me the truth.
I think so. I forgot. I don't know even know. Oh, look, here's Mario.
It's me, Mario. I actually probably could rip that, but
No, give me it! No, don't do it. Okay, just tell your story.
okay. So
Suicidal snail.
during intervention, you hit Pink Yoshi.
That's Black Yoshi.
It's pink. Remember
My
I told
socks go up to my knees.
Leave Pink Yoshi alone.
My socks go up to my
Leave Pink Yoshi
knees.
alone.
I see myself. Okay, continue.
Okay, so today at interventions, we were talking about anger and depression and suicide and it got really dark. And then I was sad. And
That's sad. I'm
It
sad.
was really sad.
Oh, this is my old setup. You'd be too short for the setup. This used to be
I
my.
really cried.
This used to be my old setup.
I want to talk.
I'm not growing armpit hair yet.
So yeah, it was very sad. And Pink Yoshi was there, and he was sad. No, I'm joking. Pink Yoshi, turn the light off. It makes the mood.
Don't turn the lights on. Okay, just talk about Pink Yoshi. Stop talking about Pink Yoshi and talk about whatever.
So yeah, and then all of a sudden,
Mario.
Mario came and said, "Can I use the restroom?" And then we just
That's what
looked
he
at
always
him,
does.
and
He's
then we
like,
just looked at him with a sad face. And Miss Collins, our teacher, she said, "No," and he was like, "But I need wait." But I needed to go to the restroom.
this isn't even comedy. It's just sad. That's just cold. Ow! I just got my braces one night,
Comedy.
and I got my tooth pulled down more.
Comedy.
That just hurt. Oh,
Comedy.
no. Whenever I do that,
That's just cold.
I can't use a straw for like the next week.
Next week.
Yeah, I can't use a straw. So it's growing.
Oh.
Oh, next time I get it pulled, they're gonna put a bracket on it.
Pancake, baker's cake. Bake me a cake as fast as you can.
Wait, so is your story over?
No.
Oh, cool. No.
And then we
Another
continued talking about depression and the Great Depression.
I'm glad that I wasn't there.
And then we talked about depression and the Great Depression and
Oh,
death
1949.
and death and
Suicide.
and suicide by
Hitler.
hanging. And we talked about Hitler and the Jews and how he killed every single Jews in the world. That's what Mario said. He's like, did he kill all the Jews in the world? I was like pretend you're Mario. Say, did he kill all the Jews in the world or Jew?
Did he kill all the jewels in the world?
Hey, boy, you better get that. No, I didn't actually say that, but Yeah.
Okay, stop. You're gonna break my chair. Or,
And then
it's
we
not my
talked
chair. I
about-
didn't buy it, but.
And then we talked about anger as well, and I nearly just like.
No!
And I wish Mark was there because then I would have been like.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get kicked out of the house. My mommy gave me a warning. She's like, if you guys keep on being loud, you're gonna get out of my house and play outside.
Your mom sounds baby.
Look at them breasts.
You don't got breasts, you got boobs. You got nipples. Show some nipples off. Wait, there it is.
What else is it? What's that pepperoni pizza? I mean the
You're being
pepperoni.
kidnapped. So,
Okay.
this video was all fake.
Rape. Oh yeah, family friend. Okay,
I think we have to restart this whole video because of that.
no, we don't. Okay, continue. It's 10 minutes now.
So, then Mario asked the final time, can I go to the restroom? And then Miss Collins said, no. And then I was like, no. No, it wasn't like that.
You're just like, no,
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 no.
no.
We're
no.
pale, but we're not.
Goodbye, bye.
Oh, it almost fell on me. It looks like a hot pocket.
You hot pocket. So yeah, and then
Stay here.
at the end of class, Mara was like, can I use the restroom? And finally she's like, oh, yes, Mario. And he's like, yay! He gets up and she's like, I'll make you stay here. He's like, no! So then he was quiet and walked out in the hall.
Da-da-da. Wait, so do I tell my story now?
Dabbing
Look
his
at them
door.
breasts. Okay, so they're
Oh! You didn't catch it, did you?
breasts.
No. Mark, it doesn't zoom in. Mark, put it! My video! Will you do what I want? On your
Watch
video?
this, Kobe.
Oh! You missed.
I whatever.
Mark, I just put it right here. Mark, tell your story!
Sorry, Mario, he's in here again because he's a comedy clown.
No,
Whatever.
he's not. He's just a stupid idiot and deserves to go to heaven. Heaven. I can't go that hard on him.
Hailstorm.
Yeah. Hailstorm.
Hailstorm.
Hail
no! I almost fell, so I was like, yeah, fine, go down, you're going with me to break my television. Because it's like
Television.
really right behind us.
Okay, tell the story.
So Mario was like, I'm gonna be serious. So Mario was like, dab, Miss Clover, dab! And then she was like, no. And then she turned around. She was like, wait, the only thing to make something uncool is by a teacher doing it. So then she was like, it's not cool anymore.
You can go back with her.
Oh, Elijah's dabbing, but he don't
No.
want you to know. Oh yeah,
It's
no, he's
just-
not.
It's this. It's like,
Okay, now you tell your story.
okay,
Colosso.
deep, dark closet. Twisting no sheet. Got a big round spot around your stomach.
What? What?
There's a triangle around your belly button.
What? Oh, hell no, Billy. What you talking about?
Pillow face. Stop it now. But you will be kicked out of this video.
Okay. Turn it the other way, you noob.
Let me to fix this freaking thing.
Friggin'.
You say freaking one more time.
Nipples,
If they say dude one more time, I'm gonna flip.
Dude. Do front flip, do front flip.
I'm gonna do backflip.
My mom's gonna kick me out of the house. You tell your story, I'll be down here.
Okay. So what's about it? No. No. So what? Say.
Oh, look at my snails. That's a poop. That's a snail. That's a
Well,
poop.
guys, we gotta pause this.
I will.
Okay, guys. So yesterday it was really funny because so Mark, this guy,
50
right here,
minutes.
this guy Mark right here, right? Yeah.
I didn't see you. Oh.
He came over to my house. He didn't see me the day before yesterday because of reasons. And he's just gonna say that homework.
Reasons.
Reasons. I saw John in the window.
Really? That's
Yeah.
you could freaking 6'2", bro.
So yeah. So yesterday I saw Mark, and then he was just like, I can't see my freaking face. Hi.
You blind, son.
Hi. Actually, no. Today I got a better one. So today we're doing optical illusions. Remember, Mark?
Oh yeah.
This story's about you.
No, I don't want to. You comedy. Okay, this is probably the end of it.
No. I got
Elijah, your video is gonna be like freaking 30 minutes now.
So today you're doing optical illusions, and then supposedly to figure it out, you had
I'm
to
your
look.
white boy.
You had to look to the side.
I know. I stepped on the cord.
You can't even see me.
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties.
Continue.
To see it, you had to like go.
Okay, hurry up, Mister Chicken.
Hurry! To see the optical illusion, you had to go to the
I
side.
can see your nose. I can see all the way through your nose from here.
I think I don't want to see that. After this video, we're gonna have to try that on you. I guess that's a comedy chicken store. I guess.
That was
No, I'm
juicy.
joking. What did you eat in Pueblo?
I went to La Junta.
Did you go to Chinese food?
No, I didn't eat it all. I ate my mom's roast beef. Oh, it was toxic. Don't, Elijah, look at all wrong. Okay, just hurry up.
Here's your mom. So today, to see the optical illusion, you had to go to the side while Mark was going up there.
I know what you mean now.
Mark was going up there, and then right when he got like right there, he was like one step away. Nope. And then she just had to go sit back down, and she was like, "What are you doing, Mark?" And you were like, "Oh, come on! Right when I get there, there's nothing happening."
You Emilio, hurry up and end the video. It's gross.
Okay, guys. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace out, cluckers.